this video, let's learn about the receptors, their classification and the properties. The receptors are the sensory or the efferent nerve endings that terminate in the periphery as a bare unmyelinated nerve endings or in the form of the specialized capsulated structures. The receptors give response to the stimulus, and when stimulated, the receptors produce a series of the impulses which are transmitted through the efferent nerve fiber. And the receptors function like a biological transducers. That means the transducer is a device which converts one form of the energy into the another. So the receptors are often defined as the biological transducers, which convert various forms of the energy, that is the stimuli that is stimulated from the environment, into the action potential of the nerve fiber. So this is the definition of the receptors. And coming to the classification, the receptors are classified into two types: the exteroceptors and the interoceptors. The exteroceptors are the receptors which give response to the stimuli that is arising outside from the body. And the interoceptors are the receptors which give response to the stimuli that arise within the body. So the exteroceptors are the receptors which give response to the stimuli that arise from the outside of the body, and the interoceptors are the receptors which give response to the stimuli that arise from within the body. Coming to the exteroceptors, they are of three groups. The first one is cutaneous receptors or the mechanoreceptors. The second one is chemoreceptors. The third group is the telereceptors. So the cutaneous or the mechanoreceptors are situated in the skin, and these are called as the cutaneous receptors. And these cutaneous receptors are also called as the mechanoreceptors. That is because of their response to the mechanical stimuli. And these mechanical stimuli such as touch, pressure and pain. The touch and pressure receptors give response to the vibration also. So now let's learn about the different types of the cutaneous or the mechanoreceptors. So let's draw a flowchart for the exteroceptors. The exteroceptors are grouped into three groups. Those are the cutaneous, the chemoreceptors and the telereceptors. So now let's discuss about the cutaneous receptors. These cutaneous receptors are of touch, pressure, cold, warmth and the pain. The touch receptors are the Meissner corpuscle and the Merkel disc. The pressure receptors are the Pacinian corpuscle. The cold receptors are the cross end bulb. The warm receptors are the Ruffini end organ. The pain receptors are the free nerve ending, that is also called as the nociceptor. So now let's know about the Meissner corpuscle. The Meissner corpuscle are situated in the upper dermis between the papillae, and its structure is encapsulated with the collagen fiber network. And the type of nerve fiber that is present in the Meissner's corpuscle is the A beta type, and the sensation is the touch sensation, that is the touch dynamic pressure. And the another touch receptor, that is the Merkel disc, it is situated in the base of the epidermis, and the structure of this Merkel disc is the branch dendrite, and each branch is expanded like a disc and it is not capsulated. So the structure of the Merkel disc looks like this. This is the expanded branch of each dendrite and they are uncapsulated. This is the Merkel disc. And the structure of the Meissner's corpuscle, it looks like this. It is encapsulated with the collagen network, and this is the Meissner's corpuscle. And the type of nerve fiber present in the Merkel disc is also the A beta type, and the sensation is the touch static pressure. And the pressure receptor, that is the Pacinian corpuscle, it is an onion-like concentric laminae that is encapsulated within the connective tissue. These are present in the deeper layer of the dermis, the fascia over the muscles, the tendons, the tissue around the joint and the joint capsules. The type of nerve fiber that is present in the Pacinian corpuscle is the C type, and the sensation, that is the pressure and the vibration. The Pacinian corpuscle looks like this. This is the node of Ranvier and the nerve ending, and it is present as the concentric onion shaped encapsulated within the connective tissue. And the receptor for the cold is the cross end bulb that is present in the dermis, and the structure is encapsulated with the collagen fiber network like that of the Meissner's corpuscle. And the type of fiber present are the A gamma fibers, and the sensation is the cold temperature. And the cross end bulb looks like this. These are the cells present inside, and it is encapsulated with the collagen fiber network inside, and this is the nerve ending. It is called as the bulb because of the shape, and it is a cold receptor. Now coming to the warmth sensation receptor, that is the Ruffini end organ. It is present in the deeper layer of the dermis, and it is covered by the elongated cylindrical capsule. The type of nerve fiber present is the C type, and it is a receptor for the warm temperature, and the structure is somewhat like this. This is the nerve ending, and it has an elongated cylindrical capsule. And the last cutaneous exteroceptor is the pain receptor. It is present in the skin, muscle, tendon, fascia and the joints. Its structure is encapsulated in ramified nerve fibers. And the type of the nerve fibers present are the A delta and the C type. It is helpful for the pain, temperature and the crude touch sensation. And the free nerve ending looks like this. This is the free nerve ending. These are the cells. So this free nerve ending is the encapsulated ramified nerve fibers. So this is all about the cutaneous receptors. Now let's learn about the chemoreceptors. That is the second group of the exteroceptors. The chemoreceptors are the receptors which give response to the chemical stimuli. So these are the taste and the smell. The taste chemoreceptors are present in the taste buds, and the smell receptors are the olfactory receptors. In coming to the telereceptors, the telereceptors are the receptors that give response to the stimuli that is arising away from the body. And these receptors are also called as the distance receptors. So they give response to the stimuli that arise away from the body. These are of two types. The first one is vision, and the second one is hearing. The vision receptors are the rods and cones. Those are present in the retina. And the hearing receptors are the hair cells. Those are present in the organ of Corti. So guys, this is all about the exteroceptors. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel.